Welcome to our Montessori-inspired back-to-back game activity. Today, we'll be exploring communication, focus, and collaboration. Talking of covering, this slide is great as a cover slide.
We know you have a lot to say, so here is an agenda slide with 5 guide points. Back-to-back activity with 6 bricks and age recommendation, ages 3-6 years, duration under 15 minutes. To play this game, you'll need a partner and 2 identical sets of Lego bricks, with at least 3 bricks in each set. Remember, the bricks should be different in color or shape. Game steps. Scene 1, stand back-to-back, each holding the set of 3 or more bricks. Scene 2, one of you, the builder, creates a model using their Lego bricks. Scene 3, still standing back-to-back, the builder tells the other player how to make a similar model. Scene 4, the builder continues to provide instructions for the model. Scene 5, when you're ready, turn around and compare the models. Do they look the same? Were the instructions easy to follow? Scene 6, take another turn, taking turns to be the builder. Recommendations. Make the activity more challenging by adding more bricks or a more complex model. Make it easier, on the other hand, by building a simpler model or allowing the person copying to ask questions. Conclusion. Encourage participants to have fun with the activity back-to-back with 6 bricks and to try different variations to develop their communication and cooperation skills. This summary guide provides a concise and structured presentation of the back-to-back with 6 bricks activity, highlighting the main steps and recommendations for an interactive and educational experience. Sometimes, it is necessary to provide a concise presentation onto the tutorial. That is when this next video comes in handy.
Back-to-back is a fun activity that trains your ability to communicate, focus, and collaborate. All you need to play this game are 2 people and 2 identical sets of Lego bricks that must be in different colors or shapes. Are you ready?
Let's go! Stand back-to-back, each holding the set of 3 or more bricks. One of you, the builder, creates a model using their Lego bricks. Still standing back-to-back, the builder tells the other player how to make a similar model. The builder continues to provide instructions for the model. When you're ready, turn around and compare the models. Do they look the same? Were the instructions easy to follow? With this activity, you can focus on what is really important. Enjoy the activity and experiment with different variations to enhance communication and cooperation skills. We hope you find this game useful. Take another turn, taking turns to be the builder.